নমস্কার, আমি শুভেচ্ছা শাহজাদ আঁচল কাঁচরাপাড়ার পক্ষ থেকে। আমার একটা ইউটিউব চ্যানেলের সেকেন্ড ভিডিও। আজকে কিছু মেশিন ওয়ার্কের শাড়ি দেখাবো এবং কিছু সাউথের শাড়ি দেখাবো। আশা করি আপনাদের সবার ভালো লাগবে। Hello, I am Shubhecha from Shahaz Achol Kachrapada. Today I am going to show some machine work resham check sarees as well as some South cottons, South semi silks, not cotton, sorry. So let's go. This is Kanchipuram semi silk. Kanchipuram semi silk. Kanchipuram semi silk. This is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece with different color of borders. This is the pallu portion with full zari work. This is semi silk, not original, but quality is super fine, I can assure you. Color is chiku color. In Bengali we can mention this is chiku color or toshor color. This is the lower part border. This is the lower part border and this is the upper one. This is the upper one. Very light shade with double tone. All body you can find this type of buttas. Enough. Buttas are there. And this is the last portion of the sari. I have shown the blouse piece at the first part. This is the pallu and this is the blouse piece. Price is 2500. Kanchipuram semi silk. This is the second one, blouse piece with double tone. I think the double tone is totally clear. Second sari. This is the blouse piece and this is the blouse piece is plain. This is the pallu portion. With full zari work. Kanchipuram semi silk, full zari work. And this is the body, deep red color with double tone of green and sky. This is the upper part border. With zari work. So classy look, I think. And this is the lower part one. Hopefully you will like the collection. We have no website till now, and I will give the Facebook page link of my boutique in the description box. You can go and search if you are interested. The whole body you will get this type of buttas. This is the last portion of the sari. Kanchipuram semi silk. Quality is super fine. Hopefully the best quality in semi silk. Price is 2500. a silk cotton sari. It's a silk cotton sari. This is the pallu portion. This is the pallu portion. Velvet zari border. Velvet zari border with all body this type of zari work in box pattern. This is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece, and the body goes like that. This is cotton silk sari. Price is 850. Price is 850. Silk cotton sari. Price is 850. Bright color combination with blouse piece. Pallu is here. Okay. Price is 850. If you want to see the whole collection of my boutique, you can go the description box. I will give the Facebook page link here. This is the pallu portion and this is the body. Zari velvet border, royal blue, and this is sea green. Royal blue and sea green. Okay, this is the sari. The whole sari goes like that. Square pattern, zari work, square pattern, zari work. And this is the blouse piece with contrast. Blouse piece with contrast color combination. Now I am going to show some resham checks sarees. Some resham checks sarees. This is machine work on resham check. It's the machine work. Machine work. This is the machine work on resham check. Machine work on resham check. And this is the border with patchwork. The border with patchwork. The whole sari is like that, so elegant in look, and this material is totally summer friendly material. Resham check from Bengal, totally summer friendly material. This whole sari goes like that, and this is the fall of the saris. This is the fall portion of the sari. This is the BP in contrast with machine work. This is the BP in contrast white color, and this is it's the machine work. You can find more and more collection of this resham check, south cottons, south semi silks from my Facebook page, because this type of short video can't show all type of sarees with more and more color varieties. This is semi tassar. This is semi tassar with machine parshi work. Machine parshi work in semi tassar. Color is steel. Color is steel color. Color is steel color. Machine parshi with cord piping. Machine parshi with cord piping. Machine parshi with cord piping. Hopefully you will like the sari. This is the fall part of the sari. This is the fall part of the sari. And the blouse piece is in running. Blouse piece is in running with hand work, machine work in hand portion. Price of this saree is price of this saree is 4450. Price of this saree is 4450. Here you can also find cotton nighties. This is just the sample piece I am showing. Peach, pesta color, pesta green and peach color. This is not pink. Peach color with pesta green combo. Pure cotton nightie. Price is 350. This is the front portion and it's the back one. It's the back one. Pesta green color. Okay. Price is 350. These hooks or bottoms are just for show. It's not front open. It's not front open nighties. Price is 350. I am just showing here two numbers. কালকে তো সুন্দর করে ফেলবে। হ্যাঁ, this is the second one. Yellow and pink. Buttons are false, just for show. Sleeves are given. Sleeves are given all inside the nightie. If you want back, if you want, I can also give you with stitching the sleeves if you want. Price is 350. So if you like the video, please like and share and obviously give some comments. It will be so much helpful for me. And if you like the sarees, you can go to my Facebook page for more collections. Thank you. Goodbye.